Hello, my name is Dennis Maduros. I am Dean of the School of Graduate Studies at the University of Missouri, Kansas City. Today I want to talk to you about plagiarism. Specifically, I want to talk to you about what it is, how to avoid it, and then test your knowledge of what plagiarism is. This is Module 1 of the presentation on plagiarism. In this module, we will discuss what the policy from the University of Missouri is on plagiarism, what constitutes plagiarism, and what to include in citations to avoid plagiarism. In Module 2, you will get a chance to test your knowledge of plagiarism. So what is plagiarism? The University of Missouri defines plagiarism using 3 elements. 1. A paraphrase or direct quote of published or unpublished work of another without citing who did the work. 2. Use of materials prepared by another person or agency engaged in the selling of term papers or other academic materials. 3. Unacknowledged use of original work produced via collaboration with others without their written permission. What are the consequences of plagiarism? Plagiarism is considered a very serious academic misconduct offense. At the graduate level, they are taken more seriously in terms of potential sanctions made against a student compared to undergraduate students. Whether you are a master's student or a PhD student can make a difference. The academic sanctions for plagiarism can be as follows: a warning, probation, suspension, or even expulsion from the university. We have had cases where parts of a dissertation have been plagiarized, and this has resulted in expulsion from the University of Missouri. If someone at the master's level has committed plagiarism, and it is considered minor, they may be placed on probation for a defined amount of time, normally 1 year. If they do it a second time, most often they will be placed on suspension for an equivalent amount of time. Let's talk about plagiarism in practical terms, in terms of exactly what it is. 1, it's the use of exact wording without use of quotation marks from a journal without citing the source. 2, is paraphrasing the work of someone else even if you provide a citation. Rearranging a sentence is plagiarism. Hint, as a suggestion, read a passage from an article or book. Close the book and write down what you just read in your own words. Now often there is a question, what do you do if something is common knowledge? Or what do you do if you think something is common knowledge? To answer this, you need to decide what is common knowledge. The University of North Carolina suggests you ask yourself 2 fundamental questions. 1, did the information or idea originate from you or your brain? 2, did you know the information before you took the particular class or you began the process of writing a thesis or a dissertation? If your answer is no to both questions, then you should provide a citation. What should be included in a citation? The next few slides will give you examples of different citation methods. If the information is from a research journal, please provide the following: the author or authors, the year published, the title of the paper, the name of the journal, volume and page numbers. Now note, some papers may not require the name of the article, but everything else must be included. If your information is from a book that is edited and the chapters are written by different authors, do the following: cite the author or authors of the article, the title of the paper, the title of the book, and who edited the book, page numbers of the article, and the year that it was published. If you are in an artistic discipline, perhaps you attend an exhibit, you should cite the following: the name of the author or authors who created the exhibit, the name of the exhibit, the name of the conference and place of the exhibit, provide the dates, address, city, and state where the exhibit was presented. What if you are in the performing arts? You need to cite a play, ballet, or production that ended in a movie. The citing a play is a bit different than the other forms. The name of the play should be in quotes. Include the following information: author or authors, act, scene, and line numbers. Example: John Doe, 3.10.5. This means this was Act 3, Scene 10, Line 5. Cite the production company as well. Citing a production or text from the movie is also a bit different. Give the title of the movie. Provide the director's first and last name. Provide the name of the performers and names of the first, second, and third leading actors or actresses. State if it was a DVD or other video format, the distributor of the film, and year of release. This completes Module 1.